everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we are making the tropical sunset, you guys. I love sunsets. So super simple recipe, let's get started. Okay you guys, so welcome back. We're making the tropical sunset today, and we've got 3 basic ingredients. First up is Lift Off, lots of B vitamins. Then we have our herbal tea concentrate, which is our fat burning tea, gonna burn up those calories. And the flavor we're doing is original. And then we've got our beverage mix enhancer, strawberry flavored. So these are new and they are available at the making of this video only through your distributor. We are, fingers crossed, gonna see those available for everyone, including our preferred members right on the website. Probably mid-summer. So until then, we've got to get it directly from the distributor. So what I'm doing right now is I'm putting the Lift Off tablet and the original tea flavor in the bottom of this mason jar, and I'm adding about 2 ounces of hot water. I'm doing this to help everything dissolve more quickly. And if I was smarter, I would have a 24 or 32 ounce jar for this recipe. But because I am using a 12 ounce jar, I'm actually cutting the recipe in half. So hopefully by the time I make the 3rd video, you guys will see me using a different size jar. So definitely cut it in half if you have something smaller like I'm currently using. So right now I'm just stirring it up, making sure everything is dissolved. And again, I used the orange Lift Off tablet and about a 1/4 teaspoon of the original tea. Again, a full serving size would be a 1/2 teaspoon, and it says so right on the packaging of each product. So I'm gonna just mix this up. And then the next step in this process is adding a ton of ice. Now, if you had a larger jar, you could add more water at this point and then add the ice. But because it's so small, I'm just gonna start piling the ice in right now. Crushed is better, but all I have is cube. So you use what you got and improvise where you can. Whoop, one got away from me. And you're just gonna keep filling it till it gets to the top. And what this allows for is the separation of the colors. So in the final step, we're gonna use that beverage mix enhancer, and then we're just gonna layer the colors, and it's gonna make it look so pretty. So I'm curious who here loves sunsets. This one is called the Tropical Sunset, and I personally love a good sunrise, although I love a good sunset as well, but curious to know, which one do you favor? Do you like the sunrise or the sunset? So right now I'm just trying to add a little bit more volume of liquid. I think I might have added too much ice, but that's okay. And I'm taking a 1/4 teaspoon. You would take a 1/2 teaspoon for a full serving, but a 1/4 teaspoon of the beverage mix enhancer. This is strawberry flavored. So again, just mixing it up real well before pouring it over top. And it's gonna create this really pretty effect. Plus the strawberry flavor is gonna taste bomb. So there's that too. Taste and beauty. It's strawberry season, you guys, so also curious if you are out with your kids picking strawberries and harvesting strawberries. I have several friends who grow their own, so let me know in the comments below. And obviously at the end you get to sip and enjoy, so look at that. Isn't that awesome? Love it. So be sure to come back for more recipe ideas. I'll be making these all summer long.